Well, the inspection cover has been sitting in our solution, heated for about 12 hours and just sitting cold. Look at that. So that is about a 4-to-1 extreme orange. And we did half of it and let it sit, and now half of it. We're gonna go through and scrub that and see what comes up, and then let her soak again. Yeah, so we've tried simple green, different things. This is extreme orange we're trying now. Same thing that we have in the oil pan right there. We'll get to that in a second. And this is our heated thing here. And it's warm, not hot, but it's warm. That used to be clear-ish. So, let me get this a scrub and then put it back in again. And then she goes back on that guy. So, like the results so far. So, some scrubbing with a brush, loosening it up, dropping it back in for a little bit, and then we'll scrub it again. We'll see how that guy looks. But we were able to get in that tub right there, we get half of it in. So you can kind of see the half that's been soaking is definitely a little bit looser, full of goo, than the half that hasn't. So that's got heat. That does not. But it has been doing some good stuff there. So we might just put this guy back in. You can definitely see where it's been loosened up and where it hasn't. On the inside, kind of the same thing there. We're gonna get down to clean metal, and that's still pretty slimy on that side. So if we wipe that off, you can see that. This was really clean inside for 220,000 miles. This has never been taken off. Original everything. We are gonna go through and do a rear main while we're there. So we get a chance to look at the one main bearing, see how those look. Even if they look coppery, this isn't gonna get pushed hard, so we'll leave it for now. We've talked about before, one idea was to take this motor and put it in another truck, one that burns a ton. We have another 85, just a half ton, and that motor is real tired. It burned a quart to about 130 miles last time we drove it. So we'll see. So I think we'll put this guy back in and let it continue to soak some more and see what results we can get after that.